Don't want console players to ruin your Rocket League fun? Don't worry. In this quick video, I'll show how you can turn off crossplay right from your computer. So without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, fire up Rocket League on your computer. Once the game loads up, click on Settings from the left side menu. Now, while you are on the Gameplay tab, look for Cross-Platform Play. It should be near the top. To disable it, just uncheck the box next to Cross-Platform Play. And Crossplay will be turned off for you. Now, you won't get any players from console or other gaming devices. You'll only get players who are using the same platform as you. So that's how you turn off crossplay in Rocket League from your PC. If the video proved to be useful, please hit the like button. Want more Rocket League related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. Oh, and if you have any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.